Pooja and I am Rishmika Sri. We are from class 6. Today we would like to talk a few words about Science Day. Today in St. John's we are celebrating Science Day. Are you all ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Here we go.
National Science Day is celebrated every year on 28th February in India. It is special day to enjoy and learn about science. On this day in 1928, scientist C.V. Raman discovered something very important called the Raman effect. Because of his great discovery, he won the Nobel Prize. Schools celebrate Science Day with fun experiments, science projects, and magic shows. Children make volcanoes, dancing raisins, balloon rockets, and color-changing flowers. Science helps us understand how plants grow.
Science helps us to understand the world around us, like why the sky is blue, how plants grow, and why rain falls. Inventions make our life easier and faster. Think of bicycles, cars, trains, and aeroplanes that help us to travel quickly. Science gives us medicines and vaccines. They help us to be healthy, cure sickness, and stop big diseases from spreading. Thank you. Have a nice day. Let's do remember St. John's and Ireland says,
Speak in English.
St. John's and Ireland says,
Speak in English today.
St. John's and Ireland says,
Speak in English today and touch the stars. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Anshu Vidya. I am studying 3rd standard. Today is 20th February. We are celebrating National Science Day. We celebrate this day to mark discovery of the Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman. 20th February. Sir C.V. Raman announced his discovery. For his discovery he was Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Let me introduce my friends and myself to you. She is Jahnavi, she is Meghna, and I am Rasi. We are from class 7. Today we will tell about respiration in organs. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Here we go. There are a pair of respiratory organs that are spongy bag-like structure. Lung is the chest cavity of either side of the heart. The left lung is bilobed and the striated smaller than the right lung, which is trilobed. The two lungs are protected by the flexible ribcage and the stamina of the front and the back.
Non-stills are pair of stills that are open into left or right nasal chambers. Pharynx is the common passages at the back of the mouth. For air and food, air enters the mouth. Tube is called the windpipe trachea.
At the lower end, the trachea splits into two bronchs that leads to their lungs on their respiratory side. Each bronchus and tiny air sacs of alveoli. The exchange of gases taking place here.
Thank you. Happy Science Day.
Everyone, let me introduce myself to you. I am Gopal from class 7. Today, I am going to do an experiment on indicators. First, I take two beakers of turmeric juice. In first beaker, I added citric acid. It is present in lemon. It remains yellow in color. In second beaker, I added sodium bicarbonate. It turns into red color. Uses of indicators. Indicator is a substance which indicates the natural nature of a particular solution, whether it is acidic, basic, or neutral. Indicators are three types: natural indicator, synthetic indicator, all factor indicator. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening, one and all. Let me introduce. My name is Varun. I am from class 7. Today I will explain about indicators. Indicators is a substance which indicates the solution is neither acidic or basic and neutral. Now I will do an experiment on indicators. This is China rose solution. Now I mix acetic acid into this solution. We observe it turns into dark pink color, and I add sodium carbonate into this beaker. We observe it turns into green color. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Let me introduce ourselves to you. She is Minakshi, she is Poshita, she is Mahi, and I am Pavitra. We are from class 5 and 4. Today, we are here to present a cereals, pulses, nuts, and spices. Behalf of Science Day. Are you all ready? Yes, we are ready. Here we go. Cereals are an important group of food grains. They helps us energy. They gives us energy and helps stay healthy. Rice, wheat, maize are common cereals. Cereals are rich in carbohydrates. Pulses are rich in protein. They give healthy, strong, and bodybuilding. Thank you. Nuts are healthy food that gives us energy. They help in brain growth and some examples: almonds, peanuts, cashews, and walnuts are common. Nuts are rich in proteins, healthy fats, and proteins. Spices are used to add taste, color, and effort to food. They make our food delicious and healthy. Some common spices are red chili, chili pepper, turmeric, cumin and coriander. Spices also helps in digestion to protect us from illnesses. We use spices every day while cooking at home. Thank you. Have a nice day. Let's do remember St. John's and Island says, speak in English. St. John's and Island says, speak in English.